everybody, welcome back to another video and happy Sunday. Today's video I'm going to share a Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale fragrance mist and hand soap haul. I bought a lot of fragrance mists from Bath & Body Works. You guys know I love Bath & Body Works candles and I've always wanted to try out their fragrance mists, but for some reason I just kept putting them back, like next time. But this time I said, you know what, let me just plunge into it. और मैं ऐसा plunge की कि मैंने काफ़ी सारे fragrance mist लिए हैं. Now I didn't buy them just because they were on sale, but because I really am into fragrance mists this year. I've used up all of my existing ones, so I wanted to buy new ones anyway. So I thought, why not buy something that I've never tried before? And the first name that popped in my head was Bath & Body Works, and their semi-annual sale also kicked in, so I thought this is perfect time. And I also bought some of their hand soaps out here. We run out of hand soaps like very fast in my house. Like me and my husband both have a habit of washing our hands. I used to keep sanitizer in my bag and in my house even before the COVID times. So yeah, we have that habit. So you know, our normal hand soaps just get over very fast. So मैं वैसे भी 3-4 hand soaps जब भी खरीदती हूँ, I buy like 3 to 4 of them together. So here I have about, I think 5 or 6 hand soaps. So, and they were like a very good deal. They were like $2.99 or $3.99. Some of them are $2.99, some are $3.99, $2.49 rupees. Varied price है, मुझे याद नहीं है किसी का भी. I also have picked up candles. Obviously, how can I not buy candles? But that video is going to be a separate video that should come after this one. So I have bought some candles and candle holders also. Like, I'm super excited about that. So yeah, that's going to be a different video, and that'll be probably the next video that I'll put up. For now, this is going to be the video that I'm going to be showing you the fragrance mists and the hand soaps, and I also have some from a different brand. So yep, I think this is going to be a long video, so I need you to grab your favorite drink and enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just get started. Okay, I'll show you the hand soaps first. So this is what the packaging came in. So I have these hand soaps. Let's start one by one. The first one is pineapple mango, and this is what that looks like. Or I'm not sure if you can tell from this packaging, but इनका जो ये bottle है ना, ये थोड़ा slant है. It's not like a straight bottle. ये थोड़ी slant है. So I think the design looks really nice. So this is pineapple mango. And the notes on this are fresh pineapple juice, mango, and wine ripened raspberry made with vitamin E, shea extract, and aloe. So yeah, that's that. Now this is their gentle foaming hand wash. They also have, I think, their gel ones. Okay, the next one is from White Barn, and this is Fiji White Sands. I bought this just to keep in my in our like main bathroom because that is white and black. So I thought this will look so good there. I know it's a little silly to match hand soap with the bathroom, but मिल रहा है तो क्यों नहीं. So this is Fiji White Sands, और इसके notes हैं White Sands, Vanilla Orchid, and Warm Amber. So yeah, that's interesting. So that's Fiji White Sands. The next one is called Sea Island Shore, and I'm not going to lie you guys, ये मैंने सिर्फ इसके इस color के लिए लिया. Like, look at this beautiful, not too dark, not too light blue. It is so pretty blue color, like such a beautiful blue color. तो मैंने इसको सिर्फ इसके color के लिए लिया. I don't even know what this fragrance is. Sea Island Shore. The notes are clean cotton, white freesia, and musk. So that should be a very interesting fragrance. So this is Sea Island Shore. They have a lot of variety in hand soaps, you guys, fragrance wise and everything. So you can, if you want to try, you can, especially when they are on discount. Anyway, the next is again White Barn, and this is Vanilla Coconut. Again, I bought it for its beautiful dark emerald green color, and that's what Vanilla Coconut looks like. And then the last two fragrances I have are called Fresh Cut Lilacs. I bought 2 of them, one in the White Barn and one in the Bath & Body packaging, because I love this fragrance, and this is a hard one to find sometimes. You know, you just don't get it. So this is Fresh Cut Lilacs in the White Barn packaging, and look at this beautiful like lilac color. Beautiful. And I have it in their Bath & Body packaging as well. So this is all floral, and again very beautiful. The notes on this one are lilac bouquet, dewy greens, and soft spring air. Wow. So yes, that's Fresh Cut Lilacs for you in 2 different packaging. So those were the hand soaps, and now let me show you the fragrance mists. So the first one is Gingham. If you are anywhere aware of Bath & Body fragrances, you would be knowing this. It's a signature fragrance of Bath & Body. Actually, you will know most of them because most of them are very staple signature fragrances of Bath & Body. You will always find them throughout the year, but this one is called Gingham. A very nice, fresh, light-wearing fragrance. Again, I will do like quick reviews of these fragrances in the coming videos, so you will see a lot of these videos, very short ones. I don't want to make them too long. Anyway, the next one is Bath & Body. Why did I say Bath & Body? The next one is Thousand Wishes. That's what that looks like, and it's super dark outside. It's going to rain like very heavy now in a few minutes, in a few seconds also. So this is anyway Thousand Wishes. Really good packaging. The next is a Champagne Toast, and boy, oh boy, this packaging is to die for. My favorite one. If I would want body mists in a certain way, in a certain packaging, this is what I would want. It's like so elegant, so classy, so super rich packaging, and it suits the fragrances also. So this one is Champagne Toast. Really, really pretty. Then the next one I have is called You're the One. And this one was so hard to find, you guys, so hard to find. I had to actually look up Nykaa, I had to look up Bath & Body, I had to look up Myntra also. I think I bought this from Bath & Body's own website because this was out of stock everywhere. Or jab mujhe ye dikha, I immediately put it in my cart. So this one is called You're the One. It's supposed to be very sexy and very seductive, like a nighttime fragrance. I haven't used it, so I am not too sure about it. And so is the next on the sexy seductive line. This is called Forever Red. Again, gorgeous packaging. Oh my god, I would actually even buy this at full price just for the way the bottle looks, and to get it at $7.99 was such a steal deal. So this is Forever Red. The notes are not mentioned here, so I'm not too sure, but yeah, this is Forever Red, and I think this is also one of their good, sexy, seductive fragrances that they have. The next one is a fragrance that I wouldn't really jump to buy immediately, but I wanted to try it and plunge into this area of like food smells, like vanilla, coconut, cocoa and chocolate and all of that. So on those lines is Warm Vanilla Sugar, and that's what that looks like. This is not my kind of fragrance, but I want to try it and I hope I like it. The next one is Blooming Garden. That's what that looks like. And this was also out of stock everywhere. This is not one of their very famous fragrances. You will not see a lot of people talk about this, but the notes were very kind of interesting, and I know it'll be all floral, so that's why I bought it. I think if you are into floral, maybe you can give it a try, but for the most part this is out of stock. Next up is again a staple and a very signature fragrance of floral fragrance of Bath & Body. This is called Hello Beautiful. This is what that looks like. Again, a lot of people who love florals love this one, so that's why I tried it. I mean, I bought it so that I know that I'm going to love it. The next one is called Magic in the Air. And I think these ones are like the retired fragrances from Bath & Body, so like I don't think they make them anymore, but I'm not too sure. So yep, this is Magic in the Air, and I like the bottle packaging on this one as well. It's got like glitter statement around things here. Beautiful green color. The mist is green color actually. That's funny. So yeah, that's Magic in the Air. Next up is the latest new launch, I think, and this is called Fiji Sunshine Guava Teeny, and that's what that looks like. This is a brand new launch for the summer, I think, and it comes in one more fragrance. It's called Bahama Passion Fruit and Banana Flowers. So ये दो नए fragrances हैं, but I thought I liked this one more. The notes on this read Sun-Kissed Guava, Fresh Orange and Seaside Jasmine, and that's Fiji Sunshine Guava Teeny. And then the last Bath & Body fragrance I have is called Sunset Glow, and this one I was contemplating should I get, should I not get, but I finally landed up getting it, and it's a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. The notes are fresh coconut, sparkling cherry, seltzer and caramelized vanilla. Yeah, that's the reason why I was contemplating, because it has coconut and vanilla. and I was like, no, I don't like coconut fragrances. It might not be too coconutty. It shouldn't be like that. लेकिन जितने भी reviews मैंने इसके देखे, they said a lot of people didn't actually get coconut as their first note, which was good. So that's why I took a plunge and I bought it. And yeah, coconut is not the first note that I'm also getting in this, so which is good. And I actually like it, this one. So those were the Bath and Body fragrances, and then I got 3 fragrances from Color Bar. Now I didn't even know that Color Bar actually has fragrances, so I got all of the 3 that they carry. This is called Wild at Heart. This is the first one, and I'm going to do detailed review on these, so you need to stay tuned for that. The second one is called Dreams Come True, and then the third one is called Love You More. This is the third one. So these are the 3 fragrances from Color Bar that I bought along with Bath and Body. All right. Oh my God, those, just look at that. Look at that lineup. And yes, I have Olympics running in the background. Why not? So yes, that was all of my, so those were all of my Bath and Body fragrance mist, hand soap haul for you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I will leave a link to Bath and Body Works in the description box. You can check out if the sale on these products is still on. I have one fragrance mist that I have ordered, jo abhi tak aayi nahi hai, and that is called Dark Kiss. So that has not yet reached me. I'm also waiting for a few candles and candle holders to arrive. That is why the candle video will go next Sunday if I happen to get it. And I'm going to do lots of these mini short reviews of these fragrance mists and candles as well, because that is what I'm going to be doing on my channel from now. So that was my fragrance mist and hand soap haul from Bath and Body Works. I really hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday in my next video. Till then, all of you take care, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.